Thank you for convening this hearing, though I must once again express my frustration with its premise. I myself am a product of the very life-sustaining programs this hearing is attacking. Programs that time and again have proven to lift individuals out of poverty, stabilize families in times of crisis, and build the foundation for long-term economic stability, mobility, and growth. At our last hearing, majority witnesses spent their time, in part, demeaning beneficiaries of the social safety net rather than offering bipartisan solutions to make these programs more effective. Slashing the budgets of these critical lifelines will not magically eliminate inefficiencies. What they will do is inflict real, immediate harm on our constituents, no matter if they live in red states or blue states. Children will go to bed hungry, seniors will forego life-saving medications, hardworking families, many of whom are already working multiple jobs, will face the agonizing choice between paying rent and putting food on the table. We must not lose sight of the real-life consequences of these policy debates. The truth is that the overwhelming majority of recipients of these programs are not abusing the system. They are doing everything they can to survive and improve their lives while continuing to contribute meaningfully to our society. I'm so passionate about the benefits of the safety net because I've experienced them. When my family legally immigrated to this country, we fell on hard times and utilized, for a short period, public housing and SNAP's predecessor, the food stamp program. These programs sustained my parents until my father got a great job in, of all places, Peoria, Illinois. My parents realized the American dream, and they never took it for granted, and I haven't either. Every night in Peoria, my father would say, "Think of the greatness of this country, and whatever you do, make sure it's there for the next families who need it." That has been and will continue to be my mission statement in Congress. According to H. Con. Res. 14, the House Republicans' instruction with regard to the budget reconciliation process, social safety net programs, very likely Medicaid and SNAP, will be cut to the tune of $1.1 trillion. That's trillion with a T. There is no plausible way that such deep budget cuts will only rid those programs of waste, fraud, and abuse. If Republicans go through with this plan, kids will go to sleep hungry because their parents lost their SNAP benefits. Millions will lose their health coverage. These cuts will be catastrophic. Funding tax breaks for special interests and the wealthiest among us by gutting life-sustaining programs is disgraceful. I am proud of what these programs have allowed my family and millions of others to achieve. I have no intention of sacrificing these programs on the altar of tax cuts for the wealthiest among us. Not only is such a plan fiscally imprudent, it is flat out morally wrong.